In this tutorial, I'll show you how to speed up your workflow using a plugin in Blender. Instead of placing objects one by one, you can now scatter them across a surface with just a single click. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, then search for Scatter Objects and check the box to enable it. Next, add a plane to serve as the floor. I already have another object prepared that will duplicate across the plane. Select both objects, but make sure you select the object first and the plane last. At the top menu, click Object and then Scatter Objects. Now, left-click and drag your mouse over the plane as if you're drawing on it in any direction. You'll notice purple guidelines appearing. Once you're done, press Enter, and just like that, the objects will appear scattered across the plane. You can also adjust the scatter settings to customize how your objects are placed. For example, you can change the density to make more or fewer objects appear, tweak the rotation so each object points in different directions, or modify the scale so objects vary in size.